up? Welcome back to the Teddy crew. Langston crew. Oh, that is another dog. Anyways, we are going to make a DIY tent. Now, we'll be back. Just stay right here. We need to move this ship over.
Wait, why didn't you move the chair?
Because it don't reach that far. Wait, can you get over the chair for a second?
Do you want me to move it that way?
Anywho, yes, this is enough.
Okay.
Now, you hold the vlog.
Okay.
Now, first, we will need this. Oops. I think you have to print it back. 1, 2, 3, voila! Anyways, 1, 2, 3, voila!
Ooh, that was a good tent on you.
1, 2, 3, voila!
It missed.
Now, I think I got it now. 20 hours later. 417, 418. Now, last one. And voila! One, two. Now we will first need our cover. Now here. Now. Oh no! I think I got to sneeze. And then you run away. And then you float away. And I turn. And I turn too. And then we fall down. Ow! And then fall away again. Every time I see you fall away. We need to go to Dr. Dr. Crazy Dazy. And then we all when I did the big sleep. And then we all fall away to Dr. Crazy Dazy.
We did.
Okay. And then we go to Dr. Crazy Dazy's over there. Well, you can do your thing. Say ready when you're done.
Okay, ready.
Okay. And when I did the big sneeze, you go like, whoa, and fall away.
I kind of want to watch that.
Then you float away all the way over there. And then you film.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Dr. Crazy Dazy. What seems to be the problem? Oh, hold on. Oops. Hello, I'm Dr. Crazy Dazy. What seems to be the matter here? I said, what to be the matter here?
Oh, my Langston crew friend has a cold.
Yes, he has a cold. Now, I saw that when you were sneezing all the way over here. And then I disappeared when I was over there. And then you look and you say, where did he go?
Oh, where did he go?
And then you try to kick and I go like, ooh.
Okay, what do I do?
You kick to see if I'm really here.
Oh, kick like over there?
Then you
Or
kick it.
over there?
Kick it, I'm
Oh.
over there.
Huh.
Now, see, this is cold. Now, we just need to wait a second. appeared. And then Dr. Crazy Dazy
Oh,
appeared.
where'd Dr. Crazy go?
Ah! Dr. Crazy Dazy! Oi! 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 Found him!
Oh!
Yeah, and then all of the plastic to see if you can find a lost book comes. If you can find the lost books comes. And then they go on our faces. Choo!
Oh no! Oh!
Hey, it says something. It say we need to find a lost book, but hurry, your code is gonna get more. But where's the other? But where's the other plaster? Did it float away? If this Wednesday comes on your face, when you sneeze.
Okay. Achoo!
Hey, it's a clue. To find this book too, you have to discover all around this house. But be careful for a dog named Jax. How do those people already know your dog?
I don't know.
Well, what are we waiting for? Wait a second. Well, we can't go in the room because Jax anyways. But go into the sunroom. He won't bark. Then what are we waiting for? There must be another clue in there. And then we go on.
This is the sunroom.
You said?
You said that another clue is in the sunroom.
I mean, war room.
Oh, okay.
Well, watch out. We have to run quickly because those people are because they talking in there, and we have to be sneaky.
Okay.
Now come on, Langston crew. Unless my sneeze is gonna get, and then we blow all the way to there. Oh, let's
Okay.
open it. Here. Uh-oh.
Oops. Maybe we shouldn't come here.
There's a clue. Grab it.
You wait till home police and Jack say no.
No, we just filmed. Maybe I'm not just filming. That dog, he almost scared me to death, right?
Yeah.
Now, let me see. Oh, the other clue is somewhere under the stinky toilet. So, let's
Listen, we have to hurry up. Your video shouldn't be longer than 10 minutes. And it's at 8 minutes and 30 seconds.
Huh? We need it. Hold on, we need to charge it over here. Now, watch chapter 2 that we film on Rayana channel. Bye.